Good morning, students. Now, class 7th. Today, you have to read about the important terms of reflection of light. Reflection of light. You know that reflection means what? Bouncing back of the coming light from a surface. Suppose that there is the surface, and now light comes here, and this bolt bouncing back this light. Now this light is called, the bouncing back of light is called reflection of light. Now important term, that is incident ray, reflected ray, normal, point of incidence. These are the terms which you have to know. If you will not know these terms, then you will not know the law of reflection and image formation by a spherical mirror or plane mirror. Now suppose that there is a mirror. This is the mirror. Here you see, this is the plane mirror. Now here is the sun present. This is the sun, and light comes from sun to this surface, that is on mirror. Now this is the incoming light. This incoming light is called incident ray. Incident ray. That is, this is the source of light, and light comes in the form of ray. You know that the sunlight comes on our earth in the form of ray, that is here. Now this comes on mirror, that is the incoming light, and this is called the incident ray. This is represented by I. Understand? Now this ray is reflected by this mirror. Here is the light reflected by this mirror. Now this is the reflected ray. Reflected ray. Understand? We denote it as R. Understand? Now the incoming rays is the incident ray, and bouncing back of incoming ray is called the reflected ray. Understand? Now this is the point, that is a point where incoming ray comes. Now this is the point on the surface of plane mirror. This is the plane mirror. Now reflection done by mirror or shiny substance. Now A is the point on plane mirror on which incoming ray, that is incident ray, comes. This point is called point of incidence. Point of incidence. Incidence. Understand? Now this is the line perpendicular on the point of incident on the mirror. This line, that is AB, suppose that AB line is the perpendicular line which is at a point on plane mirror. Now this is called, this perpendicular line is called normal. Normal. Understand? Now it is denoted by capital N. Capital N. This is the normal. Now you have known about the incident ray, that is incoming rays on from the source of light to the surface of light. Now the bouncing back of incoming ray from the surface of mirror called reflected ray, and the point on mirror where incident ray comes, this point is called point of incidence. Understand? Now here the perpendicular line at the point A on the surface of mirror, this is called the what? Normal. Understand? You have known that 4 points, 4 terms, that is incident ray, reflected ray, normal and point of incidence. Now 2 terms also here, that is angle of incidence and angle of reflection. Angle of incidence. This is the angle of incidence. Here you are seeing that this is the incident ray and this is the normal. Now the angle formed between the incident ray and normal is called angle of incidence, and it is denoted by a small I. It is denoted by a small I. Now the angle between reflected ray and normal, it is called angle of reflection, and it is denoted by a small r. It is denoted by a small r. Understand? Now you have known about the angle of incidence, that is the angle formed between incident ray and normal, and the angle of reflection, that is angle formed between reflected ray and normal, and it is denoted by a small r, and angle of incidence is denoted by a small I. Now you have known the 6 terms, that is incident ray, reflected ray, normal, point of incidence, angle of incidence and angle of reflection. You have known? Have you understood?